Welcome to Razorpay. Razorpay is the easiest way to accept and process digital payments for businesses in India. At Razorpay, our focus remains on empowering business owners to get the best out of our product stack by partnering with popular tools in their stack. On the same lines, we are now excited to launch our official Razorpay integration with Zapier. Zapier is a powerful tool that allows you to automate tedious tasks by connecting multiple web apps without a need to write a single line of code. With Zapier, this will just be a matter of setting up a no-code workflow called Zap by tying a trigger from the Razorpay app to an action in another web app. With Zapier integration, you can now make a lot of use cases possible. For example, you can seamlessly import data to Google Sheets or Excel online with a simple Zapier workflow. If you want to get an alert on Slack whenever a payment is failed, that is possible too. You can seamlessly sync information between your accounting apps like Zoho Books or Tally whenever a new transaction happens with Razorpay. You can also update your customer data in your CRM tools like HubSpot or Salesforce without any hassle. Send automated notifications from popular email automation tools like MailChimp or Gmail whenever any transaction happens with Razorpay. Before we begin, you must create a Razorpay and a Zapier account. Visit razorpay.com and sign up for an account. Provide relevant details and complete the sign-up process. Complete all the steps and launch the dashboard. Now log into your Razorpay account with your credentials. Log into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, sign up and create a Zapier account. Let us now see how we can create a sample Zapier workflow. In this example, we will show you how to create a sample Zapier workflow by connecting Razorpay with Google Sheets. Click on Create Zap button on the top left. Name your Zap with whatever you prefer. Search for Razorpay in the list of triggers. Select an event. We have covered a lot of events here depending on the use case that you have. For this particular example, we will take the example of capturing Razorpay payments in a Google Sheet. Click on Continue. Click on Sign into Razorpay button to be able to connect your Razorpay account through OAuth. You will see the screen if you are already logged in, or else you will be prompted to log in. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to the Zapier page. You are now linked to your account. Click on Continue to get a sample test trigger. Test trigger is a sample payment that Zapier will pull from your account so that you can continue with the rest of your workflow. To get a test trigger, you need to have at least one success captured payment from recent 1,000 payments. Here, we have successfully pulled the payment from Razorpay. Let us see how we can add them to the Google Sheet that you have created. For that, select Google Sheet as an action. Select an action event and click on Continue. Now choose an account. Before we move further, we need to have a Google Sheet created with some sample fields that you would want to capture. For this particular example, we created a sample Google Sheet called List of Captured Payments. Here, we are trying to capture these 4 fields: ID, amount, email, and contact. Select the drive where the Google Sheet is currently placed. We will locate this Google spreadsheet from the drop-down list. Now select the worksheet to set up the action and map the fields. Fill in the data for these 4 fields as shown earlier in the spreadsheet. Map the payment fields with the columns that we have created in the Google spreadsheet. Here we are mapping ID with payment ID, amount with the amount, email with customer email, contact with customer contact who made the payment. Now click on continue and test the action. Go back to your Google spreadsheet. You will find the data successfully captured in the spreadsheet. Navigate back and click on the Turn on Zap button. Whenever there is a successful payment capture on your account, it will automatically be pushed to your Google Sheet. This occurs once the Zap is turned on. You can repeat this process by choosing from a range of other apps. This is how you can connect seamlessly between your apps with the Razorpay Zapier integration.